What's up, guys? Identical twins.
Think I can fly
This is our
when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in you.
Alright, you guys, let's just start off by saying that my brother told me he got a flat tire, and I was like,
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So right now, I'm stuck with this difficult task right now. The Miata got a flat tire. Sucks.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
especially if you're a car enthusiast.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So you guys, this is the first time of me seeing a flat tire. I know you guys are like, what the heck? But this is my reaction regardless of the situation to my brother.
Because I know somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.
Alrighty, you guys. I just finished putting that tire on. A little winded, alright, you know. It was hard to get this thing jacked up because of how low it was. Before, like this tire right here, this jack couldn't even fit underneath, like right here. Like you could barely get this jack like right underneath there. It was like, if not like this low. Like it was like as low as my shoe, like that much. And finally got the tire on, so. Alright, you guys. Just got the wheel on, so it looks pretty good. Let me show you guys real quick. So it's on, guys. It's pretty good. Now we're gonna take it for a test drive and see how this thing works. If you guys don't have one of these steering wheel locks for your quick release, you need to get one, because people will steal your car. Alrighty, guys, just let this baby warm up a little bit. Get to like down below 1. Let it warm up, and then we'll be ready to go. That's it, you guys, for today's video. Please, guys, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.